First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android, run the software on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Here, you need to unlock your iPhone to let the software scan text messages on your iPhone. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Once connected, link your Android device to the same computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Android device. Once your Android device is recognized by the software, you will see Connected under it. To transfer photos and videos, uncheck Other Data Types and click Start Copy to transfer. Photos and videos will be transferred from your iPhone to your Android device. Click OK when the transfer process is finished.